question number 8. We have discussed question number 8 yesterday, but it's incomplete. So the question is, you are given an iron strip. How will you make it into a magnet? Already explained point 1, 2 and 3. Okay? Now I am going to write point 4 in question number 8.
Mango screen is not here.
Point A, point B and point C we have completed. Now write point number D. Okay, fourth point. So move the magnet along the iron bar. Okay, in the same direction.
Ma'am, what to write after again?
Again along. Now last point. Repeat this process. For 30 to 40 minutes. यहाँ about लिखेंगे. Repeat this process for about 30 to 40 minutes.
There is written.
So we have not read this activity in our book, but there is a question that you are given an iron strip. How will you make it into a magnet? So how will you make an iron strip? How can you convert iron strip into a magnet? So what we will do? So what we have to do? We have to take an iron strip. See, this is an iron strip. Iron strip, and we have to take a bar magnet. We have to take a bar magnet. It has north pole and south pole. Okay. Now we take a iron strip and move it along the bar magnet, surface of bar magnet. ठीक है, from north to south direction. अब आप यहाँ पे आयरन स्ट्रिप लोगे, नॉर्थ और साउथ डायरेक्शन की तरफ मूवमेंट होगा, ठीक है. ये आयरन स्ट्रिप रब करेंगे नॉर्थ टू साउथ डायरेक्शन. नॉर्थ टू साउथ डायरेक्शन we have to repeat this process for about 30 to 40 times. ठीक है, we have to rub the iron strip on the surface of bar magnet for about 30 to 40 times. ठीक है, इतने टाइम तक आप रब करोगे. After that you find that iron strip also attracts some other iron object. Okay, means for some time they have the properties of magnet. They have the properties to attract any other object which is made up of iron, cobalt or nickel. Is it clear? One more thing, keep it in your mind that you have to rub the iron strip on the surface of bar magnet in north to south direction. ठीक है, we have to move the magnet along the iron bar, या मैग्नेट आयरन बार के ऊपर रख करो या आयरन स्ट्रिप को मैग्नेट के ऊपर रख करो, तो उसी डायरेक्शन में करो, सेम डायरेक्शन में. ठीक है, मूव द आयरन स्ट्रिप ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ मैग्नेट इन द सेम डायरेक्शन एज वी डिड बिफोर, जैसा हमने पहले किया था. इफ यू आर रबिंग आयरन स्ट्रिप, ठीक है, ऑन द मैग्नेट इन नॉर्थ टू साउथ डायरेक्शन, तो इसी डायरेक्शन में आपको क्या करना है, 30 to 40 टाइम्स रिपीट करना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. हाउ इज द कंपास यूज्ड टू फाइंड डायरेक्शंस? How is the compass used to find direction? Soham, tell me the answer of this question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, compass is has needle, which is made up of magnet, and it's not cold. That towards the north pole of the earth. So that's why we will get for the direction. Ma'am, the compass is used to find direction because in the compass there is a needle, and the needle is made up of magnet, and the magnet always shows the north and south direction.
Okay. So how we can find east and west direction in compass?
Ma'am, when we the west direction, the compass needle show the east-west direction, and when it comes to rest, it will show north and south direction.
Okay. Priyanka Yadav. Priyanka.
Yes, ma'am.
How will compass used to find
Yes, ma'am.
directions?
Ma'am, a compass used to find direction by its magnet, and it indicates the direction.
Your voice is breaking, beta. Okay. Himanshu Singh. Himanshu. Shlok Kumar Singh.
Compass is used to find direction of the needle, which always rest in a north direction due to magnet. The compass is used to find that.
A compass always show north and south direction when it comes to rest. Keeping this as a reference, we can find the direction, east and west direction. We can always find east and west direction. compass, when it comes to rest, then it always shows point towards north and south direction. So keeping this as a reference, we can always find east and west directions. Wait, so you have to do question number 10 in your science book. Now come to question number 10. A magnet was brought from different directions towards a toy boat that has been floating in water in a tub. Effect observed in each case is stated in column 1. अब ये जो column 1 है, तो जो भी effect observe किए गए हैं वो लिखे हैं, and possible reasons for the observed effects are mentioned in column 2. These are the possible reasons for the observed effects. Match the statement given in column 1 with those in column 2. So first of all, write number here. आप यहाँ numbering करो. Okay. So first one, boat gets attracted towards the magnet. If any object attracts towards the magnet, so it means that boat is made up of magnetic material. So first, write first here. Boat is made up of magnetic materials. Now, second, boat is not affected by the magnet. It is not affected by the magnet, so it means that
boat is made up of non-magnetic materials.
Right, boat is made up of non-magnetic materials. Okay, so second one, if boat is not affected by the magnet, so it means that it is made up of non-magnetic material. Now third one, boat moves towards the magnet if north pole of the magnet is brought near its head. ठीक है, boat जो है वो it moves towards the magnet. If north pole of magnet is brought near its head, अगर north pole उसकी तरफ आता है, so it means
Boat is tilted with the magnet with south pole towards its head.
Yes, right. Boat is tilted with a magnet with south pole towards its head, because here it is written that boat moves towards the magnet. If it is moved towards the magnet, means attraction takes place between two magnets, between boat and magnet. ठीक है, attraction हो रहा है उनके बीच में. That's why third one is boat is fitted with a magnet with south pole towards its head. Now fourth one, boat moves away from the magnet when north pole is brought near its head. It moves away from the magnet. Why? Because we know that similar poles always repel each other. So fourth one, okay? Similar poles always repel each other. ठीक है? फोर्थ में देखो, थर्ड में नॉर्थ पोल था, बोट मूव्स टुवर्ड द मैग्नेट, so it means साउथ पोल होगा, that's why it attracts towards the magnet. ठीक है? And here it moves away from the magnet. So north pole है, it moves away, so it means that similar poles are there. So similar poles repel each other. Now fifth one, boat floats without changing its direction. So it means that boat has a small magnet fixed along its length. It has a small magnet, that's why it floats without changing its direction. Okay, so we have completed this exercise question of this chapter. Okay, we have completed exercise question of this chapter. So complete your copy, do your work in a neat and clean handwriting.